guys, it's Angel Hawks, Unhinged Creative Plan. Today I'm going to do a spread in my classic vertical for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. And I'm going to use an old sticker book that I need to use up from Live Love Posh Botanical Gardens. And I'm going to use purple spread. Let's see. Not that one. I use a few of these orchids with these purple orchid and hummingbirds and plants. So let's get started. All right. First, I'm going to throw down some washi. And these are going to serve as like little shelves to put my plants on. Because these are potted plants. Some of the stickers are potted plants. And I'm going to start with some colored boxes first. For where I have appointments. And on Monday, my son has his boys' Bible study. And then on Wednesday, my son has speech therapy. And then on Thursday, we have Essentials Co-op. And on Friday, we have Foundations Co-op. Let me put that up higher. And then on Sunday, I serve on the worship team at church. Now I'm going to fill in with some of these big stickers, floral stickers. This big orchid. Put some plants on the shelves. I have this plant, and I think I'm going to layer this orchid with this plant. So it looks like it's coming out of the back of it. Put it on this shelf. Like that. We'll put this down in this corner. I'll put this one up in this corner. Put this one down in this corner. And this in this box up here. And now I'm going to put down, let's move this up because I was going to put some checklists. I'm going to put this up to the top. Put some checklists in here. I think I have one more checklist. Let me see. And it looks weird, it's on the opposite side. I'm going to put it down here. Okay. Now I need to put some workout stickers on there. Let me grab those real quick. These are some workout stickers from Unhinged Creative Plant that I can just pop up at the top. I always put mine at the top because I do mine first thing in the morning. Come on. And these have a little space on the left that I can write in the time. And I always work out 3 times a week. And that has been working out for me really well. Okay, let's fill in the appointments. So this is boys' Bible study. This is Rikers' speech therapy. Thursday is essentials. And Friday to abbreviate the ones that'll fit. Oops, I can't spell. That's why I love using erasable pens. And then okay. This is at 6:45. 6:45. 6:45. Okay. That's my week. I've got work stuff all thrown in there, but that's for another planner. And then I write that stuff in my daily. This will be for to-dos when they come up during the day. And that's my week. Thank you for spending some time with me. I hope you got good ideas. And join me for another one. Have a good week. And until next time, be blessed.